The NVidia GeForce RTX 2080 Super has a full TU104 die with 3072 CUDA cores at a 256-bit memory bus and 8 GB of GDDR6 memory.
Stock open air cooler by NVIDIA. Comes with a USB-C port, 3 display ports, and an HDMI port. Takes a 6-pin and an 8-pin power connector. And this is 2-slot width, so it's going to fit in the case I want to build in. Comes with the quick start guide, support guide, as well as a DVI adapter.
The NVIDIA RTX 2080 Super comes in at $700 MSRP as of the date of this video and is by no means the best value for the money. But when it comes to high-tier graphics cards, NVIDIA's flagship is the RTX 2080 Ti that is twice as much money as this card. So if I had to choose one today, it would be this.